looked at the natural resources in Ukambani. They looked at some of the things in Ukambani which can help them fund their party. And they landed on this land. The land in Aliiba, the land in Mavoko. Even at some point, the land in Ketengela in Kajiado, but they were not given that opportunity. So they formed a cartel of some leaders and also some goons of the Kamba community background, as in Kambas. And they decided they are going to make money out of this land. So they went ahead, hired goons, apportioned themselves this land through protection by these goons and also seeking protection from government offices by corruption. Then they went ahead now to sell the land to unsuspecting, gullible Kenyans. I don't know whether you are getting me. Some people have come together, have decided to look for money, and they have seen there's some land in our region which we can use to raise funds for a political party. So if we can use our political positioning and our popularity in Ukambani and look for a way of a mafia way of operation, that we make sure that we are the ones who are selling this land. So they managed to do that very well. Today, I was shocked to see the name of only one member of parliament in the list being investigated by DCI. This man, Honorable Makau, is just being used. There are big names from this popular party behind Makau. It is not as Makau as Makau, the member of parliament for Mavoko, who did it. No. But there was a larger team of political leaders. Then there was a larger team of Kamba leaders, local Kamba leaders, and some goons. So when they went on the ground, what they did is not that they sold the land to Kambas. No. If you look into the statistics of the land we are talking of, and the communities who have been mostly affected, 40% of people who are sold this Portland land are from Mount Kenya origin.